Okay students, let us learn bigger numbers and smaller numbers. But before that, we have to know how to identify the bigger number and smaller number. For comparing the numbers, there are certain rules and they are very simple. So let's start. Every 2-digit number is bigger than every 1-digit number. That is, the number with more number of digits is bigger than the other number. So let us take an example. Let us take two numbers, 25 and 9. If we see, 9 has only one digit, whereas 25 has two digits. So we can say 9 is smaller than 25. Now coming to rule number 2. If both the numbers have two digits, then the number with a bigger digit in the tens place is bigger. Let us take 2-digit number like 65 and 15. If we can see that both the numbers have equal number of digits, so now what to do? We will now observe the numbers in the tens place. If we can see the number 65, the tens place is 6, and in the number 15, the tens place is 1. And we know among 6 and 1, 6 is bigger. So we can say 65 is bigger than 15. Now rule number 3. If both the 2-digit number have the same digits in its tens place, then the number with a bigger digit in its ones place is bigger. So if we take two numbers whose tens place is same for both the numbers, then we will compare the digits in its ones place. For example, 68 and 65. We can see in both the digit in the tens place is 6. So we will compare with the digits in the ones place. In the digit 65 and 68, the ones place is 5 and 8, where we know 5 is less than 8. So we can say 65 is smaller than 68. Ascending order and descending order. So let us learn what is ascending order and descending order. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, we say they are in ascending order. Another name for ascending order is increasing order. For example, let us take these numbers 65, 59, 17 and 9. Since ascending order means from smallest to biggest, so first of all we will identify the smallest and the biggest number. And as we have learned how to compare the numbers, so among these four numbers, the smallest one is 9 and the biggest one is 65. So we will put 9 first, then we will put the number which is smallest among the other three remaining numbers. So after 9, we will put 17. Now we have to put the number which is greater than 9 and 17 but less than the greatest number. So after 17 we will put 59, and lastly we will put the biggest number, that is 65. When we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, we say they are in descending order. Another name for descending order is decreasing order. For example, let us take these numbers 59, 91, 27 and 34. Since descending order means from biggest to smallest, so first of all we will identify the biggest and the smallest number. And as we have learned how to compare the numbers, so among these four numbers, the biggest one is 91 and the smallest one is 27. So we will put 91 first. Then we will put the number which is biggest among the other three remaining numbers. So the number after 91 will be 59. Now we have to put the number which is less than 91 and 59 but greater than the smallest number. So we will put 34 after 59, and lastly we will put the smallest number, that is 27. Ordinal numbers. When objects are placed in order one after the other, we use the ordinal numbers to indicate their position. The ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Forming numbers. Now we will learn how to form numbers. Let us take two numbers, 2 and 9. To make the bigger number with 9 and 2, we have to put the bigger digit in the tens place, and as we know, among these two numbers 9 is bigger, so we will put 9 in the tens place and the smaller one, that is 2, in the ones place. So 92 is the bigger number. Now if we have to make a smaller number, we will put the smaller number among these two in the tens place, and among these two, 2 is smaller, so we will put 2 in the tens place and the bigger number in the ones place. So 29 is the smaller number. We use the greater sign to indicate the bigger number. So 92 is bigger than 29. Let us take another example. For this, we will take two digits, 4 and 8. To make the bigger number with 4 and 8, we have to put the bigger digit in the tens place. And among these two numbers, 8 is bigger, so we will put 8 in the tens place and the smaller one, that is 4, in the ones place. So the bigger number is 84. Now if we have to make a smaller number, we will put the smaller one in the tens place, and among these two numbers 4 is smaller, so we will put 4 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place, which is the bigger number. So 48 is the smaller number. We will use the greater sign to indicate the bigger number, and among 48 and 84, 84 is bigger, so we'll use the greater sign. So students, we have learned how to form numbers. Now we will learn odd and even numbers. Odd numbers. The numbers that cannot be arranged into pairs are called odd numbers. Now, the word pair means a group of two. So let us see an example to understand the odd numbers. We have 15 candies with us. Now let us arrange them into pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is left out. So we can say that 15 cannot be arranged into pairs. So 15 is an odd number. Even numbers. The numbers that can be arranged into pairs are called even numbers. So let us see an example. We have 12 candies with us. Now let us arrange them into pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we can see that 12 can be arranged into pairs. So we can say 12 is an even number. Even numbers have digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place. And odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place. So students, we have come to the end of chapter 1. Hope you have understood. If you have any confusion or doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.